We've just made instant pudding. It's March 21st, the first day of spring. Eddie, which one's Mama's? Which one's Eddie's? Dada's? Where's Eddie's? Eddie's, yes. And when can we take it? When can we eat it? When it says beep beep beep? When it says beep beep beep, we can eat it. Oh, it's ready. It's ready. Eddie's? Which one's yours, Eddie? That's Eddie's. Is it good? Is it good, Eddie? Do you like it?
Mama.
Mama's, yes.
You eat yours, Eddie.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. That's it. It's March 21st, first day of spring. Ben is 7.5 months old, and he's in his jumper. Jump, jump, Ben, Ben. Jump, 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 jump. He's got a bad cold, but he's very happy. Come on, Ben, Ben. Jump. Jump. Come on, faster. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, Ben. Give a smile. Smile. Come on. That's it.
No, Eddie.
Jump.
Well, no, you got it now, but no